Hello from Tokyo. Today I'm going to use this 4-chamber split cup. You can see to the left of the screen I have a 7 split cup over there. Didn't work so well on another painting, so I'm going to use this 4-chamber cup instead. And I'll be using black and some metallic colors, so copper and also light gold. And then I'll add a bit of white as well. So I'm going to top up a bit of the copper, and now it's time to pour. So as I was saying, I tried a painting with that 7-chamber cup, but unfortunately the black paint swallowed up all the other colors. So I'm trying this with the 4-chamber on this smaller canvas, and if it works out, then I'll paint over that other painting using this 4-chamber cup as well. So this traveling ring pour technique is really simple, so I hope you can all try it too. It's simple and effective. Okay, it's now time to tilt the paint. Although I'm not 100% about this composition, it looks a bit like a moth to me. I'm going to swap this canvas out with that other canvas I was talking about and try it again. I'm just going to adjust the camera so the whole canvas fits in. And can you see how the black paint has swallowed all the other colors up? This time, hopefully it'll work better with the 4-chamber split cup. I'll fill that up off screen, and here we go with the second pour. And let's tilt and stretch it out. I sound like I'm talking in a exercise video or something. Let's stretch it out. So let's take a look now at the wet finish of the painting. Here's a closer look. I love all the lines, the contrast between these thicker ones and the thinner ones around the side. Now you've probably noticed a whole lot of those white dots in the painting. That's from popping bubbles. The white PVA glue I used for my medium seemed to create a lot of bubbles. So the effect looks okay in this particular painting. It looks like stars. I love how these lines look like light filaments or wires. Yeah, it's really cool. Let's see how it dries. So here is the dried finish of the first painting. It definitely looks like a moth or a butterfly to me, maybe more like a moth, but it was a good exercise to see how it worked out, using that 4-chamber cup. And here is the second painting, and I confess I did tilt a whole lot of that paint off on the left, but that made more of those wiry lines, which I absolutely love. So let's have a closer look at those. I love how the white looks so bright there. It's a good combination, that copper and the gold and the white. Really worked out with the black as well. Yeah, please give this a go if you like this combination. So I'm just going to take this to the other room to show you the shine on it. It has no gloss or any other finish. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're all doing well and see you in the next one. Bye!